Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get Snapchat++ on your iOS device. So let's get right into the video. First things first, if you're not familiar with Snapchat++, it's a modded version of Snapchat that includes some additional features such as the ability to save snaps, view stories without notifying the sender, and much more. So let's get right into the video. Now, to get started, you will need to have a jailbroken iOS device. If you don't have one, unfortunately, you won't be able to install Snapchat++, but if you do, then let's dive in. Step 1, open Cyda and add the following. If you don't know how to add a repo, don't worry, I'll leave a link in the description below that will guide you through it. Step 2, once you've added the repo, search for Snapchat++ and install it. Step 3, after installation, open Snapchat++ and log in with your Snapchat account. And that's it. You now have access to all the additional features that come with Snapchat++. Keep in mind that using a modified version of apps can't be risky, so proceed at your own risk. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and do my best to help you out. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.